What's happening? Here's the progress so far. The new track. The new track is not for the bike. It's actually, we're going to get our old RC cars, our off-road buggies, and dig them out of the garage, get them back to working order. Got Pops here with me today. What's happening? And we raked the heck out of this area. We used to have this track about 15 years ago, and it's been a while, but yeah, we're just getting it back into shape. Gonna get our old cars out and do some running around with those. So I raked it out a little bit. Got the layout here as an oval, and then Pop said, let's break the ground up a little bit. Why don't you go get your bike and do some laps? That's what I did. So after that, tore the ground up pretty good using the IT. Now I'm going to rake it just a little bit more, and then we're going to go get the RC cars out here and do a little test run. Oh, hold on. We got a crash. Oh, your body pin came out. Okay. Pops and I dug out our old RC car, our buggies, from the garage. Actually got everything working, have all the original controllers. Everything's more wireless controllers these days. We've got the antennas, you know. Crazy, look at these things. What car is that? What car is that? Yeah. That's the Kyosho Ultima, early 90s. I don't know. This is a Team Associated RC10 from, whoa, I don't know, late 80s, 88, 89, I think. Yeah. It's all stock from the box, except for the speed controller. It's electronic speed controller. All right, let's switch this thing on here. Full out. Good wide oval. You just leave the trigger down and just steer it around it. I know they look so probably tiny on the GoPro, so far away. And they're off. Oh yeah. Oh, that was a honk. Is it? Yeah. It's gonna be all right. It needs a little more work. You need to start digging away, getting down to the dirt instead of having the grass, and start really grooming it, make it to a legit track. Then we can build on the inside, make it inside like a more off-road section with jumps, whoops, corners, and an inside part. But yeah, good oval to start with. This is where we're at with this. Something, just have some little fun, you know, when we're out. Whoa. Yep, good stuff. Dig it. See you all in the next one.